In today's video, we're diving into the world of music manipulation apps for Android. We'll be discussing 3 of the best apps that allow you to slow down and loop music effortlessly. Let's get started. Music Speed Changer. This app allows users to adjust the speed and pitch of audio tracks with ease. It is particularly useful for musicians who want to practice at a slower tempo while maintaining the original pitch, enabling them to learn complex pieces more effectively. The interface is user-friendly, making it easy to load songs and modify their playback speed. Additionally, users can create loops for specific sections of a song, which enhances practice sessions and makes listening more enjoyable. Overall, Music Speed Changer is a versatile tool that caters to both casual listeners and serious musicians alike, making it a must-have for anyone looking to manipulate their music playback. Audipo Music Speed. Audipo is a versatile audio player that offers speed adjustment and pitch control, making it perfect for language learners, musicians, or anyone who wants to analyze music closely. With its intuitive interface, users can easily navigate and utilize the speed and pitch sliders for quick adjustments. The app also supports looping specific sections of a track, allowing users to focus on challenging parts or enjoy their favorite segments repeatedly. Notably, Audipo's ability to handle various audio formats adds to its appeal, making it a comprehensive solution for audio playback. Thus, it serves not only as a music player, but also as a powerful tool for learning and practice. Supersound. Supersound is designed to provide an immersive audio experience with features such as speed adjustment, pitch shifting, and looping. The app supports a variety of audio formats, ensuring compatibility with your music library, and it offers high-quality playback that enhances the listening experience. Users can slow down or speed up tracks while maintaining clarity, which is ideal for those learning new songs or trying to dissect musical compositions. The looping feature allows for easy repetition of selected parts, making it a great tool for both casual listeners and serious musicians alike. With its robust features and user-friendly design, Supersound stands out as a valuable resource for anyone looking to explore their music in greater depth. Thanks for watching our review of the top slow down and loop music apps for Android. We hope you found this information helpful in finding the perfect tool for your music needs.